Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Quntis Flex Illuminate Desk Lamp Pro, and I actually have one of their lights here on top of my monitor now. It's a clip-on monitor light. This one clips to your desk, so my hopes with this is I'm going to be able to either mount it to my desk or actually mount it to the back of my monitor mount, and it will, this is like kind of double-sided and you can angle it, whereas my other one just clips on top of the monitor. I'm hoping I can eliminate some of the glare right here that you see, like that line in the videos, because I do record most of my videos, right here on my desk. I will be getting another desk in here shortly for videos, but if I'm live streaming or something like that, it's still going to be, right here at my main desk. So I want to have something like this where I can have some good lighting and stuff like that. Not only for videos, but just for, using my desk in general. And if we can get this thing opened, there we go. Try to fold that, there we go. All right, make that so you guys can see what's in here. We have a little product category, just shows different like products that they have and stuff like that. I've featured a couple of their lights on the channel before. This one is AC powered, whereas my other one is powered via USB. It's got a USB-A and USB-C cable on it. But this one is AC powered, which is pretty cool because the USB-C cable on my other one was kind of short and it didn't reach. But this is what I mean by it's kind of adjustable, so you can kind of do it like a V shape if you have your monitors. You have your monitors curved in like I do. I'll show you guys once I get this mounted up what it looks like, all that kind of stuff. We have your controls right here on the actual unit. You have your power, I believe auto brightness, temperature, and then the brightness itself. And then we have the mount. Excuse me. Let's see here. We've got one piece of the thing here. This is all together because it's got the cable running through the middle, so you don't have to worry about the cable anywhere. It does run through the base, which is nice. So that clips together like so, and you have your power input right there. And it looks like the power output is actually built into the stand itself, so you don't have to worry about cables running anywhere. And then we have this clamp mount right here. So I'm going to take it over, and I'm actually going to show you where I'm going to attempt to clamp it, and we'll see how it works. All right, so I've got it on my desk up here. I just clamped it on right here next to my monitor mount. I didn't actually need to clamp it to any part of that. It is tall enough, and I was like, well, that's not going to work. Why is it so far behind the monitors? And then I looked at the pictures, and this black portion of the mount is actually bendable. So you can bend it in. I was like, how do they have that, level like they do on the picture? But you can bend it, and then you can move it like so you can adjust your lights. And I'm going to put it right just above the monitor there, so it doesn't block the view, but can angle these in any way you need. So like I said, if you have your monitors kind of curved like I do, you can have those right above your workspace. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. Cool thing about this is all the cabling is run in the actual mount itself. So you just plug it in right down here. You don't have any cables running up the length of the arm. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to plug it in and go back to the other side of my desk, and we'll take a look at it and see how it looks. All right, so I got it all set up here. It's nice and nice up there. You can angle these so it's not like right in your eyes. You can change the color, temperature, brightness up and down, and the power. I see a little sensor right here, so I know it's got auto brightness somewhere. I'm not too sure how you enable it, but I'm not going to use the auto brightness anyway. I want it to stay the same brightness. But yeah, it definitely does make the desk a lot better here with the lighting. And it doesn't create as much of a shadow, so I'll be able to get pretty much that usable area there back, because it doesn't shadow until back behind the monitor where you don't see anyway when I'm recording videos. I'll have to move my webcam up here because it is right in the line of sight of the camera, but I'll probably just stick it over there somewhere and it'll be fine. So very nice. I actually like this one a lot better. All these are just touch controls, so you don't have to mash the button or anything like that to get it to respond. You can just tap them right there and do that. I'm not too sure, like I said, how you enable auto brightness. I didn't read the instructions, but I'm sure it will tell you in here somewhere how to do that, but I'm not going to use it, so it's okay. But that is the Quntis Desk Lamp Pro. And I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.